Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we finally get another look at another confirmed item for the BoxyCharm August Premium box, and two possible spoilers that were of course hidden in one of Joe's videos. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button, also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the Ipsy August bags. Well, thank you so much, Priscilla Acosta. Priscilla says, hi, hun, thanks for all the spoilers. Well, Priscilla, honey, you are more than welcome. It makes me so happy knowing that y'all enjoy these videos. And Priscilla, you're always in my comments, honey, and I couldn't be more grateful for you, honey. I really appreciate you having your bell on. And thank you so much for coming and watching my videos. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one or two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, now before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you luck for the rest of 2020. So who don't want that? So let's go ahead and get that out the way. Welcome to the family, guys. Now, was that so hard? Now, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, again, we do have one confirmed spoiler for the BoxyCharm August Premium box, as well as two that were kind of hidden in the background, which you know, usually they're going to get confirmed. Now, am I sure it's going to be in a premium box? I don't know. But you know what? They were being showed with the premium box, so that's what I'm assuming. Now, guys, I found this on Joe's Facebook page. He was showing this video where he was showing, of course, the video with all the spoilers so far that's been confirmed.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So the newly confirmed spoiler is the SelfTaught London The Editor eyeshadow palette. Now, I looked this up and the palette looks different than the one we already seen, so I don't know if this is unreleased or what. But now this is confirmed to be in everybody's box, so everybody that gets premium is going to be getting this palette. You know, unless you subscribe late to it and they sell out of it, then you'll get a mystery box, but you know. Now, the two products he's trying to hide right over there on the side. One of them is the Dermalect XL Lash Volumizer. And then we see the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. Again, those are unconfirmed, but you know how Joe likes to slip these little sneak peeks in. So I'm pretty sure these will be being confirmed soon to be going in the August Premium box. Now guys, as far as the rest of the items, which we've already had confirmed, I'll go ahead and show you those as well to be in a premium August box. The first one is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Cream. And then we have the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Primer. Oh, I've always wanted to try that. And then last but certainly not least is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. So again, guys, let me know what you think about all these items down in the comments section. Which ones are you excited to get? And remember, guys, to be watching out for that next video because I got some exciting sneak peeks in that as well. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Epic Gamer. Epic Gamer says, obsessed with the bags. Yeah, you know what? They actually done really good with the two bags that we've seen. I can't wait to see what plus. And if it were my guess, no, they done gold holographic for ultimate and then silver holographic for the standard bag. So I'm going to say white holographic. Can you do white holographic? Anyways, that is my guess. I mean, I don't know. Silver and gold. What goes with silver and gold? I don't know. But Epic Gamer, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but y'all only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago. And YouTube won't fix it. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.